Hey, it's Leanne and Jeff, Inspirada TV. We're going to take a look at this highly upgraded two-story.
Yes, we're on Deep Canyon Street. It is a tri-point build. It's the Plan 3, which was the third largest that tri-point built in here. You're in for a treat. Plantation shutters, corner unit, 9-foot ceilings, 8-foot door.
I love the entry.
Yes.
Before the entry.
This is one of my faves, this floor plan here. We've done a few videos of this over the last year. So a double slider, super open floor plan.
This is gorgeous.
Yeah, this is a lot. These 4 floor plans out here that Tri-Point did, all pretty similar layout. Oh. Wow, this is really clean.
And they said that, you know, it says they've done over $100,000 worth of upgrades in this house, which is phenomenal. I mean, if you're looking for something that's ready to go, this is definitely what you're looking for.
White shaker cabinets, quartz countertop, just so clean. And I love the dual drawers on both sides of the
Oh, I love
oven.
that.
Yeah.
Yes. I love a good deep drawer in the kitchen, for sure.
So walk-in pantry right here.
Nice.
Oh, nice storage.
Very
built-ins.
nice, yeah.
Like those little roll-out drawers.
Yeah, that's wonderful, especially for snacks. If you have littles.
It's really cool. White sink, aptly named Blanco. That's my name. Es name muy blanco.
I love the pulls on the cabinets too. They're really nice.
Yeah, they're rectangular.
Yeah.
They're square.
Very cool. This is a lot of space for your dining area too. I love all the windows in here. It's very bright and open.
You see the light for this?
We must find that.
Yes. There it is. All right. Yeah, what a cool piece.
Yeah, that's awesome. Very well done, for sure.
It's just tasteful. It's not over the top, obnoxious.
Right. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
For sure.
Vinyl flooring.
Yeah, definite upgrade. And this, I love when the...
Or is this tile?
I love when the... No, it says...
I thought you said vinyl flooring.
Yeah, it does say that. Plank flooring, yeah. I love when the garage door opens close to the kitchen.
Yeah.
So you don't have to carry everything all the way through the house. Epoxy floor, storage.
Tankless water heater. The listing that we sold on of Timorasa, which was slightly smaller than this. Same rectangular window. Yeah, a lot of storage. Yeah, that's kind of cool. So if you have your soft water, you have a soft water loop, but you could keep your
you put it in there.
water softener in there.
That's awesome. Like
so
that.
Insulated door.
Nice. I like a window in the garage too.
This double slider's super nice.
Yeah. Oh, look at the hummingbirds. Lots of hummingbirds in the backyard. I don't know if they come with the house.
Yeah, there's a lot of them.
Synthetic grass.
Covered patio. So no rear neighbors. You have that that little water tank thing that's between here and Via Monet. Maybe it helps with your water pressure.
I don't know.
Have an awesome
I guess we
shower.
Could see.
As a kid, that was always a fear when we visit friends in Michigan, that the water pressure was horrible. I don't know why that's so stressful, but it is. Well, it does have a bedroom down along with a full bath with a tub.
Oh, so this is great if you have a teenager who wants to be away from it all and have their bedroom separate, be downstairs. Well, it's got,
be quite small. But it'd be great for a mother-in-law too.
Yeah. Oh, yes. We'd love that.
So plantation shutters.
Great windows again. Tri-Point just builds a really nice home. Oh, and this one is priced at $675,000.
So please like and subscribe to our channel. We've got hundreds of video tours of Inspirada homes. Sure, we could shoot somewhere else, but why?
There's plenty out here.
All right, so bedroom number 2.
Yeah.
And these are good-sized bedrooms. These don't feel tight.
No, they don't feel tight at all. And they all have the
nice built-ins.
Nice built-ins in the closet. You got mountain views out there.
Yeah, 9-foot ceilings.
Beautiful.
Here. That Skylark Trail that's right over there.
I love that this is open.
I do too.
Yeah. Makes it feel like part of it. Like this isn't just a separate place, you know.
So some built-in uppers. Some really cool laundry built-ins.
That's awesome.
Keep everything separated.
Separated.
So dual sinks in here. Really cool modern faucets with the honeycomb tile is really, really cool.
Yeah. Ooh, nice.
So
storage.
these deep Tri-Point tubs. I like this hardware too.
I know, super nice.
Plenty of storage. I mean, there's no lack of anything.
Yeah, for sure. Another bedroom.
Yeah.
Super nice. Love. This is a great floor plan.
It really is.
And over here, ta-da.
Right into the prime.
Wow, this is huge.
You know, I almost feel like I like this better than the Timaraso
Really?
floor plan.
That's not like you at all.
I know, but I'm feeling these bedrooms are larger.
Yeah, they're super. They're really, really large for sure. Oh.
Yeah, so plantation shutters. That is that water thing. Okay.
This is a gorgeous bathroom.
So the
much
face
space.
that Leanne just made as I rounded the corner.
Woo! I like this.
Wow.
Wow, this is terrific.
Oh, that's really cool. And then you just pull them and you drag them. Throw them right over the landing. No, the laundry's up, so.
Yeah,
but
you can still throw it.
You'd still throw it over the landing.
And that's probably what you would do. Great tub.
So deep tub.
Yeah.
Separate shower with a bench seat, water closet.
Water closet.
And look how long this vanity is.
No, it's super long. Like you don't even need to come over here.
No.
My space.
So as always, Jeff and Leanne Mix, Realty One Group, homesininspirada.com, where our website has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. If you'd like to see this home, please reach out to us. We live out here and it's easy. And we're available. That's always the best combination, easy and available.